Alright, today we're checking out this Bondure spray foam installation. I've got the 40 square foot kit, and it comes with the foam cleaner, so it cleans your gun. This is supposed to clean up or spray up to 40 square feet, I guess at about 2 inches. So my building that I'm going to be spraying this in to insulate is actually about 50 square feet on that one side, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all. Let's just check out what we have. So it comes with the tips. In the video that I watched, they used the blue tip. These are your different spray patterns. So they used the blue. I don't know how much wider or skinnier the black is, but it comes with that little tip too. So I'm going to be using the blue. And conveniently, each can comes with their own tips. Of course, like I said, that's the cleaner. So the kit, if you buy the kit, it also comes with tips. And it comes with this, I guess, in case you want to put it in hard to reach places or spray it in cracks or maybe spray it around pipes and things of that nature. But it came with these gloves. The kit comes with these little goggles, these little safety glasses, and then it comes with the gun. The gun feels like it's made out of aluminum. So you'll just screw your canister into the top here. I mean, the quality, it's like a rubber grip handle. I mean, you know, it's what you expect. I know the cans by themselves are about $20 a piece. So I'll probably need one more can to finish off my building, but this video should give you some idea of how this works. So we're going to spray it. It says spray it about 2 inches. So the directions are clean the walls, spritz the walls with water, like kind of like mist them, and then spray this stuff on about 2 inches thick, and it'll expand out. So we'll go out and check my building out, and then we'll do a time lapse of me using the product. What I wanted to get done is this wall right here. And yes, I do know that the top will have to be fixed before winter time, obviously. But for now, we want to get these walls sprayed in with foam. I think, according to my math, if it's 40 square feet, I should make it almost to the end. I don't know. We'll see. Or maybe I can thin it out in some places. I mean, it's not that important. It's just a building that I want to heat in the winter. Just keep it warm. But anyway, I've got the tip on. It just presses on. We'll go ahead and screw the canister on. And then when we're done, we'll use the cleaner for the gun and see if that works and see if anything clogs up and see how good it looks. Alright, so here's the end result. You can see that it doesn't really expand, so how you spray it is how it comes out. I thought you would spray it and then it would feel out. I mean, the videos made it look like it would come out more, but this is dry. It dried in like 10 or 20 minutes. It was completely dry. It reminds you of like silly string. It's lighter than regular foam, it feels like. Squishier. But you just kind of gotta start going and don't go back over anything, because if you do, the gun puts out so much air, it just blasted it out of there. Now, it's probably to do with the gun itself. You can see down here, I start running out. So I'm putting it on thin. I mean, you can adjust the gun, but I mean, by the time you would figure out, so you can see down here, by the time you would figure out how to adjust it, you would be out of stuff. I mean, honestly. I mean, this took about maybe 2 minutes. Maybe 2 minutes. And down here you can see I was trying to go back over it and it just slashed right through it with the can. I mean, it puts out so much pressure. But thankfully I used this in my building and not in my house. I mean, I don't think I would really care for it in my house. And then when I was trying to put the stuff on, you know, you're trying to be real quick and put it on, but it still sprays out of there. So I don't know what I did wrong there. Even my cat don't like it. So I didn't even try to clean it after I was done. I think this is it for me. I think I'm gonna just leave it at that and then insulate it some other way. I mean, this stuff it just went everywhere. I mean, the first can did it too. I mean, it just, as soon as you start screwing it on, it pokes it or whatever and it starts spraying out. And I would recommend that somebody get the little suit that you got to wear, because it will get all over your clothes and all over you. But I would say 2 cans took about 2 minutes. So it went about as far as I thought it would. It's just I wish it was a little thicker. Like, it started off okay, and then of course it thins out down there, but it is what it is. Some of it got on the floor. I had to seal this up here at some point this summer. But that's it for this video. If you like this video, like it. If you don't. Subscribe if you want more of this content, and we'll see you in the next video.